Hi, in this video I will tell you about a legal job which is in MCA, that is Ministry of Corporate Affairs. There is an office under MCA that is called Serious Fraud Investigation Office, and you have a job as a legal consultant for serious fraud investigation officer. So in this job what you have to do is you must have knowledge about drafting of petitions, written statements and all these things. Other than this, you have to consult the SFIO, that is Serious Fraud Investigation Officer, and all other things, like you have to help him and you have to give him legal advice, you have to do drafting, and you have to appear before court and tribunals on behalf of SFIO. So even if you are a fresher, like you have experience of 6 months or 1 year, or if you have experience of 3 to 4 years, and if you have a good experience of 8 to 10 years, there are jobs for you. So if you are having 1 year experience, then there are 4 vacancies. Like if you have experience up to 1 year, then there are 4 vacancies, and if you have experience of 3 to 4 years, or you can say 3 to 8 years, then there are 10 vacancies for you. And if you have experience above that, like 8 to 10 years, then there are 7 vacancies for you. And if you have 6 months to 1 year experience, salary offered to you will be of around 60,000 rupees. And if you have experience from 3 to 8 years, then salary offered to you will be around 80,000 to 1,45,000. And if you have experience from 8 years to 10 years, then salary offered to you will be around 1,45,000 to 1 lakh, or you can say 2,65,000. That will be decided as per your knowledge and skills, what type of knowledge you have. But there is a must condition that you should have knowledge in the field of corporate law, like you should have good knowledge of Companies Act, and you should have good knowledge about SEBI, that is Security Exchange Board of India, and all the acts that are covered under SEBI, and all the laws related to companies, like all the acts which are dealt with corporate matters, and listing obligations and all those things. You should have a good knowledge about those things, and you should also have a knowledge about drafting and all these things. So you have to give advice to SFIO, that is Serious Fraud Investigation Office, which is set up under section 211 of Companies Act. And if I tell you something extra, if SFIO do complaints against a company, then that is treated as a police complaint, as police do complaints against a person, against a accused. In the manner that complaint is treated, same manner a complaint done by SFIO is treated against a company. So this is a good opportunity for you. What you have to do, you have to go to the official website of mca.gov.in. There you have to go to vacancy section. When you will click over vacancy sections, various options will come. Under that you have to click over SFIO. When you will click over that, you will find this job which is of legal consultant. You have to click over that and you will get form. You have to fill that form and you have to provide all the information about you, whatever they are demanding from you, and you have to provide all the details, like you have to give certificate of your LLB, that you have completed your LLB, and if you are demanding graduation certificate, 10th certificate, 12th certificate, all other things which are required. So you have to provide those details and you have to send that to them. And after sending, they will consider your application and an interview will be conducted of you, and everything will be dependent on your interview. If you have good knowledge, if you have shown a good knowledge in your interview, then you will get your job. As we know, there are limited number of vacancy, that is 4 only if you are a fresher, and 10 if you have a good experience of 3 to 8 years, and 7 if you have experience of 8 to 10 years or more than that. So there are limited number of vacancy, but it is a good field where you can apply. And if you are interested in corporate field, you want to pursue your career as a corporate or in corporate litigation, then you can apply here. This is a good opportunity for you. And as we know, this is MCA, that is Ministry of Corporate Affairs. So this is type of working under a government office. So you will get a good experience over here, as this is a permanent job, this is not a contractual job. So you will get, if you will get this job, then your salary will be fixed, and all other things you can see over the official website, that is mca.gov.in. So if any of your friend is also interested in doing this job, like if he or she wants to pursue his career in corporate field, then he or she can apply here. Please do recommend to him or her this video, so he can or she can understand what this job is all about, and he or she can apply over here and pursue her or his career in a good manner in corporate field. So this is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like it and share it with your friends, and recommend them about this job, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.